If you plan to make the jump from shared hosting to a VPS and you want to install WordPress sites on a VPS, well, I recommend that you check out FlyWP.
This is super powerful because you can go in and customize how much power you want on your servers.
You can deploy lightning-fast WordPress sites on your own server in minutes, and this is the beauty of this system.
This service here is the company that gives us the interface, which is very, very easy to use, very easy to follow, that allows us to connect to all these servers.
جاي اكلمك النهارده على FlyWP ازاي تقدر تطلع منها باستفاده ممكنه
and give you a good user interface so you can easily manage your server and get down to doing the things that you really want to do with WordPress.
FlyWP's user-friendly platform centralizes everything.
एक WordPress वेबसाइट को VPS पर होस्ट करने के लिए आपको ज़रूरत होती है एक कंट्रोल पैनल, और उन्हीं में से एक है FlyWP का कंट्रोल पैनल, जिसे मैं पिछले 1 साल से इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूं अपने पर्सनल और कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए.
And the good thing is you can do everything from inside your FlyWP account. You don't need to leave FlyWP in order for you to set up your website.